Well, on today's Military Collector segment on my 43 GPW, I want to talk to you a little bit about replacing the distributor. All right, now I'm going to show you something here that many of you all may have seen, but this distributor was the original one. Now, the vehicle ran, but not all that well when I parked it in here before I started doing some of these updates that I wanted to do to it. Well, we got it all put back together, put new starter, new plugs, new wires. I put a Perktronic system on the distributor and all of that sort of thing, and it still wasn't right. So when we reached down to try and time it, and you time these vehicles by turning this in the block, and when we tried to turn it, it wouldn't turn. So, and you can see from this, it was basically welded in there through rust after 75 plus years. I don't think it had ever been touched, but it took us 5 hours to get that distributor out of that block. And luckily we didn't damage it, okay? And then I was lucky enough to find a new old stock replacement, okay, Autolite distributor. And we're getting ready to install this one in there too. But as you can see down by looking at the block, luckily again, we didn't damage it in there, okay? We just kind of cleaned it out. We'll change the oil. We'll do all those kinds of things before we put the new distributor back in there. Stay tuned because I'm going to have more tips and more great things that I'm trying to do to this 43 GPW to get it up and running.